In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your YouTube Premium subscription or free trial. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the YouTube application like you normally would. Then you need to make sure you are signed into the YouTube account that you did use in order to purchase YouTube Premium. So I'm currently signed in, and the way you're able to tell, if you scroll down, you should see an option over here that says your premium benefits. But anyways, all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and select on your premium benefits like so, and then it should take you to a page that looks like this. Then all you need to do is you need to scroll down and then select all the way in the bottom where it says manage your membership. And then it will bring you with a page that looks like this. And then over here underneath active, it will actually display your YouTube Premium subscription. So if you want to cancel it, all you want to do is select on that and then go ahead and press on this top button over here that says cancel. And just like that, you should be able to cancel your YouTube Premium subscriptions. Or if you really want to, you can actually go ahead and pause your membership for up to 6 months and then resume it at any time. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.